And this is what we're using?
Chipmunk 22 suppressed.
Birth defects is our least concern today, guys. You gangster with that thing.
Hear you. I can't get how much the green treasure. You can see it right here.
Green tip, nice.
Chipmunk by Keystone Armory with a 100-ton arm suppressor. Ready? Oh, that was cool as shit.
You guys see anything smoldering? Whoa. Look at the damage it did.
Pretty damn quiet, too. This thing is smacking. Green. Hear you. When you go to shoot, just pull it back like that, and it's ready to shoot. Sick, bro.
Thanks.